for the show. What we will discuss very simple. If you be man and your best friend, but your best friend, fiance, then keep 75 million, make you sleep with your best friend, fiance, where you go so marry. You go do am, abi you no go do am. Or you be woman, your best friend will be girl, person where she want marry. They cost say make them drop 75 million, make you run things with him. Will you run the thing? Just one time is okay.
Okay, we don't see the full picture now.
We don't see.
Easy bit go choose.
Easy bit. Now see the full picture. Camera it.
You do.
Camera, please now. Hurry up. We want to help somebody's life.
Easy must move forward and marry this year.
See.
In Jesus' name.
See.
Easy, what do you think of her?
What do you think of her?
She's pretty now. She's fine. She's fine.
So you agree or be not agree?
You like color TV? Easy, you say we think about it.
Okay.
Una help Easy.
No. Not talk for Easy Bit.
Oh.
Allow him to talk for itself.
She's fine. She did okay.
For itself.
The bed fine. I bet go for it. Say everlasting Ben. Me go collect the money, no wasting of time. Everlasting Ben. What for anything for the road? That is your name. Everlasting Ben.
Oh, don't say Nedu. If na me, Katim, they say make I sleep with, I go do am still dash am harmony. John, good evening.
Yeah, good evening, Nedu.
I knew about that.
I really enjoy the program. I'll be first time.
Hold on. I talk.
I don't talk.
Okay.
Say this John. I don't know your name since and your voice.
John,
Okay.
Chook my
My name is John. This is the first time they call, sir.
Hey, we don't do it first time welcome now, again, is it?
Oh, you don't
Okay.
master you.
Hello?
Hey, wait.
I want to talk about the gun.
No, talk about the 75 million.
My brother, you go
No, I know if you do one, I know very conscious. I know if you do one, I go die.
You go die.
Why you go
I know if you do. I don't get that mind. I don't get that mind.
Oh,
You don't marry?
I don't marry. I know if you do one.
Wait.
It's not correct
Will
now.
not be correct. For the money where you marry, how many babe you get?
For us, no, I don't do. I don't fit get the man. I don't know.
It's okay now.
I
Just
want
ask the
one.
question.
My friends is one, but anytime I want one.
Anytime
We'll
you
not
want do
disturb
am.
you talk now.
Anytime you want do am.
My mind
Stephen,
is
good
always
wait.
disturb me.
Your mind they disturb you.
Yeah.
I beg you, Stephen. John, thank you. Say your mind. Good mind. Now you get very good mind.
So now we get bad mind.
Now we get bad mind now.
Okay.
Stephen, good evening.
Yeah.
Stephen.
Yeah. Stevenson.
Sheyi say, what are the consequences of collecting the money first?
What for you?
Now, my sister, if you want to collect money, collect
Typical
money.
Niger girl.
I
If
don't
you want to
know.
collect money, Sheyi, what is the consequences for this matter now? And then Everlasting Ben say, babe, fine, I beg, go for it. Me go collect the money, no wasting time. And then Sheyi say, good God of music will forgive you, man. Because you don't know what you are doing, dude. It's like you've got even single idea of music.
No, make I read them. God of music, Sheyi talk say, God of music will forgive you, man, because you don't know what you think you are doing, dude. It's like you got not even a single idea that it's music. It's quality you're talking to.
Quality.
No, it's I am quality you're talking to.
You know we are talking to.
With a blur.
With them blue. And then Sunday, you are there say, swear
I
him.
swear.
And his family.
I swear, him and his family will buy music.
Hello, good evening. Olu from Lagos.
Nedu.
Oh, Olu, how is you?
Nedu International Worldwide.
Well, international worldwide. Thank you. How is you? Toi.
In fact, I go collect the money.
You collect the money?
In fact, I go collect the money. I go see carry the girl, go make the guy say, Ungwanu, see the thing. I don't do I don't collect the money.
My brother, you won't die, you.
You are very wicked.
Die, they hungry you.
You are a very wicked man.
Good night.
Nedu,
You are very wicked. Good night.
I beg, let me say that girl. Maybe that girl what she done here by you.
This guy.
This woman what she done. I beg, let me say that man go to dance with that Mozu.
What did they do you? My brother, you be a bar. Water, eba. That is what you are. Good night.
Make you know they do it.
Water, eba. Abiba, good evening.
Hello, good evening, Nedu.
How is you, my sister?
I'm fine, thank you. How is it, Katim?
Hey, my sister. I'm here, right here.
I'm a first-time caller.
Hold on.
Nedu,
Who they laugh
Ma?
at?
now 2 times you go do that thing for me because anytime I watch the program, I dey enjoy am. So now my own, that's what I want.
Hold up, hold up.
Hold up, nigga, hold up. Now, take it. Oh, yeah, you go collect money or not?
I go collect money if na billion, no.
If not, no, 75 million.
Na billion I want.
My sister. You will start first with million.
My
Now,
brother,
not million,
they-
take enter billion.
Oh.
After all, people they thief Nigerian billions of naira, we don't know kill them now.
They start from million, my sister.
That one day, there's not one day they start 50 billion, man.
Me, I want start from billion. I want break record.
God, more grease to your elbow.
Thank
Good
you.
night. Good night, Abiba.
More greases.
More grease to your elbow. Hello, Jerry from Abia.
Yes, I'm with you.
Jerry, what now? You with me?
Yes, so I'm with you, Nedu. How are you?
Fine, thank you, sir. What talk your talk for this talk? Where would they talk?
So Nedu, for that one, me, I go collect and go Eritrea, go marry 2 wives.
Nah, Bajaro Baba! Jerry Baba!
Hello, Nedu.
Who they there?
I said, now Jerry, they talk. Now, I said, me, I go collect the money, go Eritrea, go marry 2 wives.
Now, who be the person where they near you there?
Now, my wife there with me.
Give your wife the phone.
Okay, so yeah, give my wife one talk.
Yeah.
Hello?
Madam, first of all, you go if now you go collect the money.
I go collect the money sharp now.
Una two na the same thing, no? Una fit una self.
I dey tell you, I go collect a sharp give my husband one hand.
Madam, 2 fingers in the air for you, because.
I dey tell you.
Oh, good night.
Hey, wait, blessed Nwokocha say, Nedu, police need to arrest that boy. This is music abuse.
Efe, good evening.
Good evening, Nedu Alpha.
Ade, how been today?
We make sense, so we make sense.
Efe, tell me what you go do if na you.
If not me, make I check whether my wife divorce.
May go check what their wife they want. Anita from Warri, good evening. Anita, call us back.
We say we already know your answer.
We know your answer already. For you to go check whether your wife they want.
My brother, don't worry. We know
That can one. I did be wife. Women they can be wicked. They can do work on. When you come back for night, say baby, high five. Say, go and collect 75 million.
Go to Eritrea.
Go to Eritrea. And then Diale Joy say, where this brother see money take shoot this video.
Lion Queen.
Hashtag Lion Queen. My brother. Nedu police need to arrest that boy. This is music abuse. And then Sunday, I go sleep with them clear mouth. My brother, they your face. Adam Mpama say, I beg, make una stop to play that video. The thing they spoil eye. My brother, now people say make we play popular demand.
He say,
and then Femi Papsi say the director of that video not get brain. My brother, imagine say then give you 10 million.
You go get
say,
brain.
Shoot, my brother, I go shoot that video.
you go shoot the video.
According to Keselo, you go lie down for ground.
One man video, you go roll. Now only him did the video.
Hey,
You
Chike,
go
good
roll.
evening.
Hey, Nedu.
Hey, Chike, what mama?
Nedu.
Hey, G, what mama?
Ah, my brother. The hell you.
One now, I inhale. Hey, Chike, me on the fire. Hey, G.
Sir,
Took mark for this talk, Biko.
my brother.
Ma?
Hey, 75 billion naira. I go do am 2 times.
You are doing 2 times.
Whether they give me double 75 million double,
Yeah,
2 times I go do am.
Yeah,
Hey, Chike, what mama?
I go carry the money for mama. I go become I go go Eritrea. But when you visit, I go marry 4.
Marry 4. Hey, Chike, good night, oh.
Thank you, my brother.
Hey! Ella from Warri, good evening.
Mama Ella.
Mama Ella, how far?
I do that one.
Mama Ella, the wipist.
Nedu speak.
How is you?
I just find no Nedu.
How many you done do today?
I better do 7.
Mama, wait, if now you wait, you go do collect that money.
I better let my husband hear. I go collect the money.
Mama, I get you too much. Good night.
Yes, he whisper out.
And then,
but your husband, if you know you true, no say you go do.
no, some people when they say, I'm not gonna call, but my wife, she go collect them 2 times. Fountain of mercy, I'm not be smart thing. If not me, I'm going to do it because opportunity comes but once, my brother. Sylvia Richard said they do. Now, well, is it be just the hot, like our Nigerian budget, where everybody mount?
Good.
Sylvia Richard, is it bit?
No, that's
now that you did.
Nedu, you are, I don't know. Is it bit?
It be like say they study Dibia. Hello, good evening. This one I don't know what they talk. Hello.
Hello, Nedu.
How is you, Bola?
I did bomb, Baba.
Oh yeah, now chook mouth for this talk.
Nedu, please, where did they pay that money?
Baba, I don't know what you want to talk.
That is supposed already before you put them on head now.
That one you go give me the gist where it come from.
Next I will bring the suitcase.
Who go bring the suitcase?
Come this
And the full gist. That me say, plenty, you go see plenty married women. Bank, you come and go there. Come and go there. I don't know this, but are you one?
I don't go lie for you. That money na politician money. You go do am sharp now.
Bola, thank you very much. Good night. Joy from Holland. Good evening.
Nedu, good evening.
Joy, baby.
Hello.
Joy, baby. Joy.
We dey wait for now. One come Holland.
We dey come very, very soon. Don't worry.
We will inform you.
We will inform you.
Yes.
We are coming like a thief in the night.
Yes.
Man, so we dey wait.
Joy, if now you, what do you go do?
Is it be that Nedu, that money big oh?
So you go collect them.
I go collect and we'll go settle the matter for Benin.
Joy, thank you very much, my dear. Enjoy yourself. And then a white lion. You should be this guy seeing that video.
That Abante is your brother that do that lion something.
If I be that quality, I go zoo, go do the remix. And then Catherine Obia, I beg. I
enjoy the show. Okay, it says long time. I speak the language.
God, I tried it.
No, I know what.
Help me tell you, if you say that girl name na Chiwendo.
Okay.
Then contribute.
Then to contribute. I will so sleep with the guy and collect the money. My sister.
My sister.
Yeah.
You sure say not be the thing your sister go do too? Your sister, there is some way you say you will so.
No, her sister always say, I will so finish Isibit every which way possible.
Hey,
I will so finish
so
Isibit.
my sister, now me say, if your sister there with Isibit now, they control the money, you go fit follow Isibit. Jesus.
No! Make I talk like Imelda. No, they do not be so.
See, we have to play that video before come up for session. So therefore, double toilet to everybody who don't call us on top of the show today. Double toilet to everybody who don't.
No, may I quick read all these things finish. They need to probe that guy. I'm sure 100% saying a part of the arms deal money, then do that video. What do you expect? Let me tell him. I go do 8 rounds, latex day, 75 million.
Anyway, double toilet to everybody who don't call us for the show today. Double toilet to the best DJ in the game.
Yes.
Most wanted DJ Easybeat. And then to everybody. And then everybody when they back home, I know they see K Solo, K Moss, Shapali, Big Bang, Jonah, everybody, Emmanuel, everybody.
One day, come and pirate them.
One day, all of them, they go carry waka, enter here, bone and see them. And I go toilet, give them. But anyway, watch this video. Quality.
If you not just enjoy the video, they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.